Umar, ready? Roll.
The Arctic Ice.
3, 2.
Mysteries.
Ready,
and
ready.
secrets.
स्टैंड थोड़ा सा
जी।
हल्का सा पीछे हो बिल्कुल राइट बस फोकस है फोकस ओके प्ले
Far into the north, beyond the lands we know, lies the Arctic, a frozen land of endless white. At first glance, it's nothing more than ice and snow. But the truth is, the Arctic holds secrets that could decide the future of our planet. The Arctic and Antarctic ice is more than just frozen water. It acts like a giant mirror, refracting the sun's rays back into space and keeping Earth cool. Without it, our world would heat up so much faster. Beneath the ice lies another secret. Vast reserves of oils, gases, and minerals, along with ancient bacteria and viruses that have been trapped asleep for thousands of years. If the ice melts, what else might be released? A bit of history. For centuries, the Arctic was unreachable, wrapped in mystery and myth. Explorers dreamed of finding passages through it, but most were defeated by its harsh conditions. Only in recent decades, with satellite and advanced technology, we have truly begun to understand its scale and importance. What we found is alarming. The Arctic is nearly and warming 4 times faster than the rest of the world. This rapid melting does not just affect polar bears or icy landscapes, it raises sea levels across the globe, threatens coastal cities, and disrupts water patterns everywhere. Some scientists even warn that if too much ice disappears, ancient diseases frozen for millennia. ये दोबारा कर लें ऊपर ऊपर some scientists बस नहीं है Some scientists even warn that if too much ice disappears, ancient diseases frozen for millennia might reawaken. A little reminder of how little we actually know about the frozen walls of history. The current state, each summer more Arctic ice vanishes than last year. The more permanent ice sheets are sinking, and areas that were frozen for ages are opening up to ships and industries. Nations now compete for control of the Arctic, seeing not only danger but also opportunity in its hidden resources. The future uncertain and mysterious. If the ice continues to retreat, we may face rising seas, shifting climates, and unknown biological threats. But at the same time, the Arctic could unlock secrets about the Earth's past. Trapped air bubbles inside the ice sheets carry records of the atmosphere thousands of years ago, offering clues to how our climate once changed and what might happen again. So, what can we do? Protect the Arctic by cutting down on greenhouse gases, support international agreements on reckless and prove ऊपर करें बस What can we do? Well, support international agreements on preventing reckless exploitation, invest in research because the more we learn, the better we are prepared. The Arctic is not just a frozen desert at the edge of the world. It is a silent guardian, a time capsule, and maybe, perhaps, even a warning. Its mysteries remind us of how much still we do not know and how much we stand to